Okay, today we're going to look at the Ryobi P238 brushless impact driver. So let's get started. Okay, I got my Ryobi P238 impact driver today. And I bought this on eBay because it was $25 cheaper than on at Home Depot. So let's see what she looks like. There she is. Let's get some of these specs here. It says 2200 inch-pounds, torque, 3-speed, tri-beam LED. And there's the speeds: high speed 0 to 3200, medium speed 0 to 2200, low speed 0 to 1050. Cool. All right. Yeah, I'm going to compare this. I'm going to try comparing this on some lug nuts and some lag bolts. This is the brushless model. So you got a battery here. All right, let's see, forward. Got it on 1. Lights work. These are quieter than the brush. This is going to be my first brushless tool. Didn't come with a bit. Oh, it's probably in the. It's in here. Let's see how this bit works. Yeah. Screw there too for the belt clip. This is supposed to just. I think they're just supposed to pop in. Oh, okay. See, I seen a video on these. They have you hold it out, I guess. Yeah, there you go. To hit it, and then you just pull it out to release it. Okay. Pretty easy. Actually, I was gonna put some. Gonna use some of these. I want to test out some of these guys on it. And actually, I'm going to be trying it against this guy. This is a 3/8. This is a brushed version. But this thing's rated for 150 foot-pounds. And this thing is supposed to be rated for 2,200 inch-pounds. So that comes out to like 160-something foot-pounds. So they should be pretty identical, except for this one being a brushed model. It might even do better with the HP battery. Actually, do these utilize? Yeah, see, these utilize the HP batteries, whereas this one doesn't. So this one might outperform that one. And this should do really good on screws too. I mean, I'll try some tests out there with screws too, see how it does. This is a nice looking tool. It feels nice. I like the way it sounds. I know it's kind of loud, but it's got a different sound than the brush. Let me see. Than their brush tools. Well, it's a little different sounding. It doesn't have as much of a kick, I don't think. No, it doesn't feel as... It feels wimpier. I don't know. We'll see how it does, but sounds can be deceiving, I guess. Little thing clip goes up here, I guess. Yeah, like that. It's got the little tray. Mag tray. Yeah. Okay, let's take this out in the garage and see what they'll do against this the 3/8 Impact. Should be a cool I got 3 different batteries. I got the 4 amp regular Ryobi, and I got a 6 amp knockoff battery. So I'm gonna try all 3 of them batteries with different tests and see how they do. Okay, let's go out in the garage. Okay, first I'm going to try this 3/8 impact wrench and get a comparison. These are, well, this is model number P238, and these are torqued to 100 foot-pounds. So we'll get a comparison of how, I know this one takes them off, but let's see how easy it takes them off. Okay. I got the set on 3. Okay, let's try this one out. I got the 6 amp battery on here. 6 amp knockoff battery. Okay, let's try it on this one. It's on 3. Yeah, it's about the same. Try this one. Yep. Try one more. Let me get these a little tighter. Try this one. Okay, it takes those off no problem. I'll torque these down later. Let's try some lag bolts. Alright, this is what it looks like outdoors today, folks. And it's cold in that garage. So I think I'll do the lag bolt testing indoors. Okay, I just got them in a little ways. Just pre-started them. This is 3/8 lag bolts. This is a 1/2 inch. These are 1/2 inches right here. These are 3/8. Let's try it out on these 3/8. This is a pretty hard piece of wood, so I'll put it on 1. Yeah, I'll put it on 1. Try that. All right, let's try 2. Okay, now that's with the 6 amp knockoff battery. Let's try the let's try this 3 amp battery. This is the HP battery, by the way. And I'm going to put this on 3. No, that did it, no problem. Let's keep going with this 1.5.
This one should do it. Let's try the try this 1/2 inch impact wrench. Okay, I'm going to put it on 2. Just for comparison, you know. Well, it helps if I put the battery in. Let's put on 3. Okay, that's no problem. Let's try these 1/2 inch ones. Let's try this one at 2. Well, it ain't gonna work. Put that there. Try 3. I want to be able to get it out after, so yeah, that does it easy. How about the 4 amp regular Ryobi battery? Try this one on 2. Try 3. A little more. Wow, no sweat. This thing works pretty good. You can shine on these lag bolts. Wow, look at that. Nothing. Need bigger lag bolts. I didn't think it would go through that easy on these. Wow. How about all these batteries too? They're all working. This, even the knockoff. Try the knockoff here. Yep. Wow. This thing shines. I need to get bigger lag bolts, folks. I can't really do any other tests on this because it does it no problem. Let's see if it gets these back out again, these guys. Yeah, no problem. I went too far with that one. It's just stripping. It's not the tool. It's stripping. It went too far. I'll have to dig it out. But wow, this baby's nice. All right, let's wrap this up and do a little recap.
This is a good tool. I mean, it kept up with the 3/8 impact wrench as far as lug nuts goes. I know this ain't for lug nuts, but you know, you could do it for light automotive bolts and stuff. And definitely, it worked really good on those lag bolts. And it didn't matter what battery I used. It worked on the knockoff, the HP battery, the regular Ryobi battery. Didn't make any difference. The tool worked really nice. Yeah, it's a great tool. This is a, you know, you could actually use this as an impact wrench too, but you know, it'll work. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.